similar one without leaves. Rose combined with hydrangea.
Six rose and 5 hydrangea.
More colors.
It's 2 and the paper rope. More colors.
Let's show you this cup here.
Yellow. White and light green. White, light green. This pink with some cream. This is number 25.
Now a small one, tulip by 3 in 3 colors. This one, the material PU, very soft. PU. If you feel, if you touch, you press, very soft. Good feeling. Only by 3. A bun. Small one.
This is 26.
26 tulip by 3. Now this one, also lovely one. This is decorative color because the material, we call it snowflake. You see, we can see here, like the snowflake. The material, the background, you can see here. This. Of course, also we can make a ordinary one to achieve a better price. But this looks special, decorative colors. Yeah.
How many pieces? 9. Nice stems. 9 stems per bundle.
Lovely. I think the color is nice. I like this kind of color.
This is 27.
We have a small one, small size of this one. We can compare the flower.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Same is a 9 by 9, but the flower head is small.
Different flowers, I think. This is big. This bigger.
Size.
The flower head is bigger than this one. See, bigger.
Compare one here. Small, this big one. So you can see the top. This is small, big. Now I like this color.
Which color?
Oh, this color. This series, this collection, the color is very special. This is 28, the number 28. Remember, this is our 8th live show. So you can mark down 8-28. Now a gypsum one. Gypsum. This with 8 stems.
Eight stems.
8 stems.
And
Yes.
all the flowers are plastic, but it's soft. And some of it have some. What's this?
This some with foam.
Foam.
Foam powder.
Foam powder. Foam powder. Powder. Bound by paper. Also bound by paper.
Nice color. Yeah.
This is 29.
29. Okay, I will show you a small one. This is like a pig. Just one stem, big one. Also, it's lovely.
A pig, one stem.
How many branches? Small branch.
7 small branches. And also the flowers are all plastic, also soft, with some foam powder.
Yeah, this gypsum is
Soft.
Yeah.
Very soft.
The number of this one?
Number 30.
Number 30.
Number 30.
Okay, I will show you another small bush now. Small bush. This is cheaper one with good price. Plastic accessories mixed with flower.
Yeah. This is big one.
This is by 5.
Also
This
by
one
5.
By 5, but
But
with
the
big
flower is different.
Big.
Big flower.
Okay, so 2 different items.
Yeah.
Now I can
Compare.
this. The one at my right side is small one.
Small one. Small flower. Big flower. The structure and the stem are same. Just the flower, the size is different.
So for small one, we make it 39.
Small one, 31.
31, sorry.
And bigger,
big one,
32 for big
I'll
one.
take this one. I take the number. This one. Now. Okay, let's move to another one.
Colors.
Now, this is also a very special one. Okay, with I think 11 stem with rose and a small rose bud together. But the color is nice, so nice here.
This is plastic stem with graphic down. Also the leaves, autumn color. All the flowers can make a spring color. Include flowers, leaves. We also can make spring colors. And you can see the colors, the shape of the petal. Very beautiful. Let's see this pink one. We made this pink with some nut green. Autumn cream, the green. This is number 33. Number 33.
Okay, a small bush, lovely one. I like this small one. I always like the tiny things. Lovely. Small bush by 5. Okay, we show one. This by 5 stem with plastic accessory, small eucalyptus and mini fruits. I think it's a nice combination It's simple, looks very cute. Very cute. I like it. The price is good.
Okay,
so
this
is
34.
Now next one. Rose.
This same color? Oh, no, same one. Similar, so similar. Wow. Same.
Small rose bush by 5. Now I show one piece red 5 stem.
Some big flower, small flower, wild flowers.
Star flower.
Star flower.
Okay. So for 5, it's cute, nice. This one, the number is
35. 35.
okay. One bundle again, rose bundle. This color, soft, very soft. It is Korean style. Material is, we call it snowflake. If you see clearly, you can see the flower, the background. Flake. Some patterns like snowflake. So it is something special. I like it. The color is very soft. I'll show one. If you open,
You can open the flowers, and it looks bigger. And each flower is big flower and a small flower.